Hello guys, VMware Workstation Pro is now available for free for personal use. Today I want to take you through step by step how to get your VMware Workstation Pro running on your PC. So by not wasting your time, let me take you to the screen. So first of all, we take a look at the blog that says that VMware Workstation Pro is now available for free. VMware Workstation Pro now available for free for personal use. So the VMware Workstation Pro is for Linux and also Windows, and the Fusion is for Mac users. So when we scroll down, we can see, you can read through. If you have time, you can visit the blog.vmware.com to read everything. So let's head on to the main website, vmware.com. At first, when you head on to this website, it was very easy to download the VMware and get it running on your PC, but now when it is a little bit tricky when you get here. So when we get here, we head on to the desktop hypervisor solutions, then this tab will open. So we click on download Fusion or Workstation. When you click on it, it will open a new website. It will direct us to a new website, that is broadcom.com. So broadcom.com is where VMware is now hosting all their products now. So in broadcom.com, that's where we will download our VMware. So before we can get inside, we have to first register, and to register we hover top here and we will see the registration there. Then we click on it. So here we just put in our details. We put in our email, then we fill in the gap with the letters. Then we click on next. So now they have sent a code to our email. We go to our email, then we take the code to confirm. This is the code. Go back to the registration, then we confirm it. So in here we fill in our details. So in here you fill in your details. So I'll pause it and fill in my details. So guys, after filling in your details, you just click on create account. Then you just click on I'll do it later. So here we just close everything. Then we go back, we close everything up. Then we go back to where we click on download Fusion and Workstation. Then we click on it again. Then it will open broadcom.com. We put in the username that was our email. So I will just copy my email from here. And then the password. Password. Now we have already registered for broadcom.com. So when it gets here, you can see that there is nothing here, but this is the reason why I am here to take you through the step by step. we go on to click on my dashboard, and inside my dashboard we search for Workstation, VMware Workstation, Workstation Pro. So we click on it. Then we click on this link. So it will open up this document for us, so we can read through, but I will scroll down. I'll scroll down here. This is the documentation, and this is the link to download the VMware. I click on it. So in here, for personal use, I'm using it for Windows, so I click on the Windows. If you are using for Linux, you can click on the Linux, but I'm using for Windows. So on the time of making this video, the current version is 17.5.2. So I'll download the current version by clicking it. So in here, I will first have to accept the agreement. I agree to the terms and conditions. I click on it. So I agree to the terms and conditions. Then I'll head over here to hover on it and click on it, the download button here, and I'll click on yes, proceed. So it will open up a new tab for me. So here I have to fill in my address, my city, my state, and my zip code. So I'll pause the video here, then I'll fill in my details. So I already filled in my details. Now I click on the submit button to submit it. And now it will take us to a new page again. It's like it brings us back to the previous page that we click on the download. So it brings us back. So when we hover on it, you can see that this HTTPS download. So we click on it, the HTTPS download, and now we can see that our VMware start downloading at the top button here. So we sit tight and wait for our VMware to finish downloading. Yeah guys, now our download is done. So we click on the download. Okay, so we can locate our downloads in our downloads. You can see that our VMware is now downloaded. I double click it and boom, click on yes. Installation procedure have started. Download. The installation procedure have started. Click on next, 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 and install. So our VMware is now installing. Finish. Okay guys, now we can see that our VMware is now installed, and now we can start using our VMware. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have not liked it, please you can like it, and if you find it interesting, you can subscribe. So whenever, and you click on the notification button, whenever I post a video, you can get an update and you can come and watch. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.